So we now move into lesson planning. So the next prompt we're going to be looking at is this. Because it's given me a week's worth of lessons here, week 1 lesson plans, I'm actually going to ask it for 3 detailed lesson plans. You could potentially ask for 3 summaries and then break it down lesson by lesson, but I'm actually going to ask it to give me the lesson plans for these first 3 lessons. So create 3 detailed lesson plans for week 1. And so what I'm going to do is just going to copy this, because it's going to be introduction to cells, and then where it says here is the outline, I just paste that in. And you'd expect learning objectives, step-by-step breakdown, key questions, differentiation, resources and assessment strategies. No surprises there. So let's just see what we get from AI with this prompt. So we've got the 3 lessons, the introduction, an hour's lesson with learning objectives, activities breakdown, show a short video introducing cells. Yep, fair enough. And actually in the next video, I'm actually going to show you how you can do some quite interesting work around introductory video work. And then an introductory lecture. Again, you may sometimes find ChatGPT defaults to the lecture format, but you know what? Sometimes you need to talk to the kids and teach them stuff. I mean, it's not all about group work, but it's not done a bad job there, because, it's basically, again, it's taken that overarching syllabus criteria and it's just breaking it down. These are the things that you need to learn in order to pass the exam, which is exactly what we need. So it's done there. Key questions I really like, and then it's given some ideas of differentiation and challenge, and then a plenary. Yeah, and it's just doing the same format. Not bad at all. So, okay, in the next video, what I'll do is I'll show you how you can start to create resourcing. And I think I'll start with perplexity. And then in the following video, I'll look at video.